The ocean's depths hold many mysteries, but perhaps the most intriguing are the creatures that call it home. From the smallest plankton to the largest whale, every living thing in the sea plays a role in maintaining the delicate balance of marine life. And today, we're diving deep to uncover the truth behind some of the ocean's most fascinating and misunderstood inhabitants. Welcome back, everyone. Here you'll find the most amazing and terrifying creatures from our oceans. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Remember to leave a thumbs up if you find these videos interesting and subscribe for more. Number 10. Mimic Octopus. The mimic octopus is a master of disguise, able to change color and shape to match its surroundings. It can mimic the behavior of other animals, such as the venomous blue-ringed octopus. However, unlike its toxic cousin, the mimic octopus is harmless to humans. Instead of using venom, it relies on camouflage and mimicry to catch its prey. 9. Giant Squid. The giant squid is a legendary creature of the deep, often spoken of in hushed tones by sailors and fishermen. With colossal arms and bulging eyes, it's a truly terrifying sight to behold. But despite its fearsome reputation, the giant squid is rarely seen by humans. Most of what we know about it comes from the scars left on the bodies of whales and the stomachs of sperm whales, its main predators. 8. Portuguese man-o'-war. The Portuguese man-o'-war is a colonial organism made up of specialized polyps that work together to form a single superorganism. Each polyp has a specific role, such as swimming, feeding, and reproduction. The Portuguese man-o'-war is capable of traveling vast distances across the ocean, and its stinging cells can be deadly to humans. Despite its beauty, it is best to admire this creature from a safe distance. Number 7. Vampire Squid. The vampire squid is a strange and unusual creature that lives in the darkest depths of the ocean. It gets its name from its blood-red eyes and the fact that it often has a film of dead bacteria covering its body, making it look like a bloody mess. But despite its creepy appearance, the vampire squid is a gentle creature that feeds on sinking debris. 6. Goblin Shark. The goblin shark is a bizarre-looking creature with a long and narrow body and a protruding lower jaw. It has more than 300 teeth and can grow up to 12 feet in length. The goblin shark is a very elusive creature and is rarely seen by humans. It typically inhabits deep waters and is thought to feed on fish and other marine creatures. Number 5. Blobfish. The blobfish is a deep-sea-dwelling fish that has become an internet sensation due to its unusual appearance. It has a large head and a gelatinous body that makes it look like a melting blob. The blobfish is found in the coastal waters of Australia and New Zealand and typically lives at depths of 2,000 to 4,000 feet. 4. Dumbo Octopus. The Dumbo octopus is a small octopus named after the Disney character Dumbo because of its ear-like fins. It has been observed carrying its egg sac in its arms, which is a unique form of parental care among octopuses. A Dumbo octopus lives in the deep sea and is found in all oceans around the world. 3. Frilled Shark. The frilled shark is an ancient-looking shark that has remained virtually unchanged for millions of years. It has long, thin body and numerous rows of sharp teeth. The frilled shark is a very elusive creature and is rarely seen by humans. It typically inhabits deep waters and is thought to feed on fish and squid. 2. Lantern Shark. The lantern shark is a strange-looking fish with a large head and gaping mouth filled with sharp teeth. It has bioluminescent photophores on its body that it uses to lure prey. The lantern shark is a very deep sea-dwelling fish and is rarely seen by humans. 1. Barrel-eyed fish. The barrel-eyed fish is a bizarre-looking fish with a transparent head that allows viewers to see its brain and other internal organs. It has tubular eyes that can extend out of its head to view its surroundings. The barrel-eye fish is found in the deep waters of the Atlantic Ocean off the coast of South Africa. From the smallest invertebrates to the largest whales, each creature has its own unique adaptations and behaviors that allow it to thrive in its environment. Some of these creatures may seem strange or even scary to us, but they are all vital to the health of the ocean ecosystem. So next time you hear about a mysterious sea creature, remember that it may not be the monster you imagined. In fact, it could be a fascinating example of the incredible diversity of life on Earth. Before we dive into our next topic, let's take a moment to appreciate the wonders of the ocean. The ocean is a vast and mysterious place, covering over 70% of our planet's surface. It is home to a wide variety of amazing creatures, from the graceful movements of dolphins to the majestic giant squid. The ocean also plays a vital role in regulating our planet's climate and providing us with food and resources. It is a source of wonder and inspiration to people all around the world. But our relationship with the ocean is not always a positive one. We have been polluting and overfishing our seas, damaging the delicate balance of marine life. It is important that we take steps to protect the ocean and its inhabitants for future generations to enjoy. We can all do our part to protect the ocean by reducing our use of single-use plastics, supporting sustainable fishing practices, and being mindful of the impact of our actions on marine life. Even small changes like picking up trash on a beach or participating in a local ocean cleanup effort can make a difference. It is also important to educate ourselves and others about the importance of ocean conservation and the threats facing our marine ecosystems. By spreading awareness, we can inspire others to take action and protect the ocean. Protecting the ocean is not just about saving marine life. It is about protecting our planet and ourselves. The ocean plays a critical role in regulating our planet's climate and weather patterns. It is also a major source of food and economic activity for billions of people around the world. By taking care of the ocean, we are ensuring a healthier and more sustainable future for all. As we wrap up our discussion on the ocean's amazing creatures, let us also acknowledge the importance of protecting this precious resource. It is easy to be captivated by the mysterious and sometimes scary creatures that live in the depths of our oceans. But it is equally important to remember that these animals play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our planet ecosystem. By understanding and appreciating the ocean and its inhabitants, we can work together to ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to thrive for generations to come. So let us continue to explore, learn, and most importantly, protect the amazing world that surrounds us. Which of these ocean dwellers was the most surprising to you? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. And don't forget to stay tuned for more fascinating discoveries from the deep. A blue whale. This massive creature is the largest animal on planet Earth, reaching lengths of up to 100 feet and weighing over 200 tons. The blue whale's heart is the size of a car, and its tongue alone can weigh as much as an elephant. Despite its enormous size, the blue whale is a graceful and elegant creature that can swim at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. Giant isopod. The giant isopod is a crustacean that lives in the deep sea and can grow up to 13 inches long. These creatures are scavengers, feeding on dead animals that sink to the ocean floor. Despite their somewhat unsettling appearance, giant isopods play an important role in the marine ecosystem by breaking down dead organic matter. Coelacanth. The coelacanth is a type of fish that was thought to have gone extinct 66 million years ago. However, in 1938, a living coelacanth was caught off the coast of South Africa. Coelacanths are slow-moving, scaly fish that can grow up to 6.5 feet long and weigh over 100 pounds. Oarfish. The oarfish is a rare and mysterious fish that is rarely seen by humans. It has a long, slender body and can grow up to 56 feet in length. The oarfish is also known as the king of herrings and is said to be a harbinger of earthquakes. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about some of the ocean's most amazing creatures. Don't forget to stay curious and keep exploring the world around you. Who knows what amazing discoveries await you?